Welcome to the Proxmox VE dashboard. If you're looking for a powerful open source virtualization platform, you come to the right place. In this short video, we will take a quick tour highlighting the most important features that make Proxmox VE for PRIMERGY a fantastic solution for both virtual machine and containers. After logging in, you're greeted by the main dashboard. On the left, you'll see your server nodes. Clicking on the node provides an immediate overview of its health and resource utilization, like CPU, memory, and disk space. This gives you a quick snapshot of your host performance. Proxmox VE is a unified platform for both kernel-based virtual machines and Linux containers. You can easily create a new virtual machine by clicking Create VM. The wizard guides you through selecting your operating system, allocating resources like CPU, memory, and configuring storage. For lightweight bare metal performance, you can also create Linux containers which are perfect for discrete application hosting. Effective storage management is crucial, and Proxmox VE for PRIMERGY offers robust options. Under each node, you see all attached storage devices, from local disk to shared storage with block storage, in this example iSCSI, or network shares like NFS and SMB, or for an HCI storage with Ceph. This is where your virtual machine disks stored, or here in this example in SMB, where your ISO images for OS installations and container templates resident. Proxmox support various storage backends, giving you flexibility for different needs. Data protection is paramount. Proxmox VE for PRIMERGY includes an integrated backup solution for any virtual machine or container. You can navigate to its backup tab to perform an immediate backup or restore an existing backup. Restoring individual files is also possible. These backups can be stored in various storage targets and are crucial for disaster recovery. For business-critical workloads, Proxmox VE offers high availability. In a cluster environment, if a physical host fails, Proxmox can automatically restart your virtual machines on another active node, minimizing downtime. In the HA tab of the cluster view, you can add resources to be protected by HA, and you can configure the HA behavior. This ensures that your services remain operational even in the event of hardware failures. This brief tour has covered the core functionalities of the Proxmox VE dashboard, from creating and managing your virtual resources to robust storage options and essential backup capabilities. Proxmox VE provides a comprehensive open source solution for your virtualization needs. It's powerful, flexible, and constantly evolving. Thank you for watching this video.